Hello, my name is Marcos and today we're gonna show you Nishman M1. Stay tuned to see the finish up of this haircut.
I ain't tryna bring you down, but for real, you might as well give up now. Think you got a chance, but I don't see how. Got a real tight grip when
Nishman M1 base with argan oil. It will give you a matte finish looking and hair holding throughout the whole day. It's an amazing paste with an amazing fragrance too. M1 with argan oil.
Slow and ignite the room like fire. Everything I touch, I consume. I'm getting up while y'all just snooze. While you make breakfast, man, I'm on the move. I'm the first one in and the last one out. Whoever owns the place gotta drag me out. In me I trust, yeah, I smell like success, this Elon Musk, huh? Everybody wanna be like us, we don't stop, cause the top just ain't enough, huh? I ain't never gave no fucks, I ain't scared.
Thank you for choosing Nishman and stay tuned for more tips about our products. Bye bye.